Alright, here's something totally different in the big toy box today. We've got a Paw Patrol diecast. This is probably like a Hot Wheels size diecast. This is nice, pretty heavy. It's metal, and it has a plastic base. This is Marshall the Dalmatian driving the fire truck here, the number 3 fire truck. This is actually really nicely made. Don't know what these run in the store, probably like $5 or $6, but these were for some kids, you know, they were really into the Paw Patrol thing. Nice looking fire truck there. We got the, like I said, Marshall the Dalmatian. He's driving the fire truck. And it's a nice looking fire truck here in the big toy box. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.